flight of fear, rush to the standard of dawn's bliss red hue. On Acton Gallowglass, throng from each mountain pass, onward for air and O'Donnell. O'Neill to our aid is advancing with many a chieftain and warrior clan, 1,000 proud steeds in his vanguard prancing, with the border is brave on the banks of the Bann. Many a hunt shall quail under its coat of flame, deeply the merciless foeman shall rue. Then on his ears shall ring borne on the praises winds of Connaugh's dread war cry, O'Donnell above. The war wolf is howling, fearless the eagle sweeps over the plain. The fox in the streets of the city is prowling, and all who would scare him are banished or slain. On with O'Donnell then, fight the old fight again, sons of Tyrconnell, all valiant and true. Make the proud Saxon feel heirs of avenging steel, strike for your country, O'Donnell above.